monster! Help me! Ah! Emily!
Surprise! It's me!
Dad!
Dad!
The sloth monster. It's just a mask. Dad!
Dad! Laughs!
At 6 a.m.
I almost lost 5 years of my life.
This is perfect for our vlog.
Golden sunlight fills the room. Birds sing outside. Good morning, jungle-sling jungle explorers. Today is Adventure Day. The beach.
No. Something cooler. A jungle tour.
A full-day surprise.
They cheer and rush to pack. At breakfast, bright orange papaya glows on the table.
It looks like sunshine.
Eat first. We need energy.
Can I wear my sloth mask?
No. Masks don't eat pancakes.
Outside, their guide waves beside a green Jeep.
Welcome, Watson family. I'm Carlos.
Nice to meet you.
Night, Jason. And now for having night. Now I think that guy to Spain blind. First lesson. Carlos smiles. Pura vida means pure life. Pura vida.
Pura vida. Vida.
They practice new words.
Rainforest.
Rain. Waterfall. River. Din row round.
The Jeep rolls forward as thick green jungle walls rise around them.
Warm air smells of leaves and earth.
It's like a giant green world. Whew.
A tiny lizard darts across the path. Birds sing above.
Look up! No, Bannon. That's the Batman and phone. Home on her bedstrip printing sea. Wow, actual trend. High in a tree hangs a three-toed sloth.
He's smiling. Whoa! Oh. Why so slow?
Sloths are strong and peaceful, Carlos explains. Masters of trees. Leaves rustle suddenly.
Monkeys! Ugh. Right, Naradidonkeys!
One swings down, grabs Dad's hat, and leaps back up.
Ah!
My lucky hat!
He looks cooler than you.
Carlos gently uses a long stick and retrieves it.
Hero magic! The kids cheer!
They reach a hidden beach, glowing blue and silver.
Welcome to paradise.
A vendor hands them coconuts.
Rico. Rico.
That means tasty, Carlos explains.
Boat. Hey, Juju. Oh. Boat.
Driftwood.
Deal. Oh. Oh, internet.
Thunder rumbles. Wind rises.
Quickly! Rain's coming!
Warm tropical rain pours down. They laugh, soaked and shining.
The beach looks like silver.
Soon the rain stops. The forest smells fresh and alive.
They hike along a muddy trail. A distant roar grows louder.
I hear it. Oh, no. Oh.
Through vines and rocks appears a sparkling waterfall, pouring into a clear pool.
Wow. Everyone breathes.
Mist floats like diamonds in sunlight. A rainbow forms.
I caught it. Laughs.
I'm Isabel. Enjoy nature. It's a gift. A kind ranger approaches.
She talks like a forest grandma.
Sunset paints the jungle gold. Fireflies glow like tiny stars.
I love this hour.
I love this hour. Peter bends down. Mom, what's this?
He lifts a carved stone piece from the mud.
It looks ancient.
Like treasure.
Maybe from an old tribe.
They stare at the strange symbol.
Best day ever.
Carlos calls from the path. Time to go, explorers. Oh. They walk back, smiling, tired, but happy.
Will we find more clues?
Dad grins. Adventure begins with curiosity. Fireflies flicker as they reach the bus, and the mystery waits for tomorrow.